Ever pondered about the ultimate fast food recipe on earth? One that brings together the crispy, the juicy, the spicy, and the downright mouthwatering? Well, the wait is over. Welcome to a journey into the world of culinary delights, where we explore the recipe for the best homemade chicken burger. Imagine a succulent chicken breast, marinated in a blend of spices, crumbed and fried to crispy perfection, nestled in a soft bun, layered with fresh lettuce, tangy pickles, and a spicy mayo sauce. Makes your mouth water, doesn't it? Let's begin by marinating the chicken. Start by pounding a chicken breast until it's about half an inch thick. This ensures even cooking. For the marinade, combine a cup of buttermilk, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper in a bowl. Immerse the chicken in this mixture and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. Now, on to the breading. Mix together 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon each of the same spices used in the marinade. Take the chicken out of the fridge, let it drain a bit, then dredge it in this flour mixture. Ensure every nook and cranny is covered. Heat a generous amount of oil in a frying pan. When it's hot, carefully lower the chicken into the oil. Fry until it turns a beautiful golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. Drain on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. While the chicken rests, toast a burger bun until golden and crisp. Spread a dollop of mayo on the bottom bun, followed by a layer of lettuce and a couple of tangy pickles. Place the crispy chicken on top, add another dollop of spicy mayo, and crown it with the top bun. Voila! You have just created the best fast food recipe on earth, the homemade crispy chicken burger. This recipe is not just about creating a meal. It's about experiencing the joy of cooking and savoring the fruits of your labor. It's about bringing the fast food experience right into your kitchen. Each bite into this burger takes you on a flavorful ride that's crispy, creamy, spicy, and oh so satisfying. In summary, the process involves marinating the chicken in a blend of spices and buttermilk, breading it in a similar mix, and frying until golden and crispy. The burger is assembled with fresh lettuce, tangy pickles, and a spicy mayo sauce, sandwiched between a toasted bun. Each step is simple but contributes to a whole that is far greater than the sum of its parts. So, the next time the fast food craving hits, remember this recipe. It's not just a burger, it's a culinary masterpiece.